Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this professional portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The entire source code is available in the description. You can download and try to build this project. You can see the smooth animation effect, the portfolio section and all. And there are a lot more content in the channel. Please do visit. You can see the smooth animation. Right now we are in the navbar section, home, about, skill. You can see the hover effect under it. Then we can see border effect around the contact button, and you can see hover color effect to the social media icons. Then the about section. Then we have the skills section. You can see how neatly we have designed the HTML, CSS, 3 JavaScript sections. Then you can see the hover effect on the portfolio images. You can see the recent projects, smooth effect, and the contact. Try to use the type element in the form elements like email and the social media icons. You can see the smooth animation and how smoothly they are in from one section to another section. And you can see the permanent active section below the navbar, the line. And now let's go to the mobile version. This is the desktop version as you've seen before. Now let's go to the mobile version. This is the tab version, home, about. Then we have skills, then portfolio and contact. Now this is the mobile version. You can see how neatly it is aligned, giving a very professional look to your website. Professional skills and your work, recent work, all your projects, contact details. You can see the menu bar, how smooth effect it is. Thank you.